Now hear me out. I ain't saying all of the stimulus payment got to go to prostitutes.
Sorry ass DJ.
Man, Rona done set a lot of y'all boys down. Things getting a little itchy, you know what I'm saying? You know, guys over here getting a little squirmy, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get out, you know, to see some stuff. No matter what the cost, niggas is trying to get out, huh? So I developed a couple of rules that can get your eggplant wet during this shelter at home work. Look, rule number 1, get on a dating app. I'm telling you right now, there's so many of them. Like, you can choose from like probably millions, my guy. Rule number 2, very simple. Very simple, my guy. Slide in the DM.
So he wouldn't found me on Instagram after I deleted it because we were having conversations. You guys are weirdos. Like, what is the problem?
And rule number 3, cash app these hoes. Better cash app these bitches, my nigga. So for all of my guys at home, we gonna start with number 1. Fuck, what was number 1? God damn, I smoked too much. Shit. That's right. Number 1, dating sites. No, just take it from me. You can take it from this guy.
So a lot of times you go on Tinder and you think you're gonna match somebody, and the girl will be like 100 miles away and say, well, I got a hotel room, come meet me somewhere. Enough for you to get your ass robbed. So yeah, bro, sugar babies is taking over Tinder. Just you pump and dump as you should.
So these girls are on these dating sites like honey on comb, my guy. All right, these girls are choosing, bruh. Like it is.
That's great, worked out. Were you the first people you met off that? Probably no, I guess not. It's only been a month. She was the first one ever? Nice. Is he your first one ever? Can't get mad, dude. There's plenty of fish.
These bitches still putting up numbers, bro. Which brings us to number 2. Signing up in the DMs. Now, social media is the one place where a lot of people post the shit that they thinking on their timeline for whatever reason. They want to get your eggplant wet right now. I'm their advertiser. I'm selling. Step right up. Come wet your eggplant. No, but seriously though, if you got a bucket list and a cougar is on it, quarantine season's the perfect time to scratch it off, baby. Let's be real, like, and it's everywhere. Females do it all the time. You know? So, slide up in these chicks DM, bro. It's that simple. You got this. So if any of that other stuff is just too much trouble for you and you know, you just like to do your thing, you know, and the person gotta leave, you don't like to know no names.
Like sugar babies and prostitutes, they all over Tinder. They own plenty of fish. They own all these dating apps, and they have this really weird language now, like this like hieroglyphic.
So I'm gonna give it 100 with you. I don't know how to get hold of these cash app hoes. Yeah, I was asked that. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Pay a bitch $40 for some shit, and I ain't promised no, you know, guarantee. It's bullshit. Don't fall for it. But still, yeah, if these other 2 things are too much of a problem, cash app these bitches, bro. Just bring them by, get them an Uber, you know what I'm saying, and Uber their ass back. And do it at your homie crib, because you don't want them to come to your spot. You don't want them to know where you live, bro. Shit, that cash app bounces, then they come back looking for you. So unless y'all want to be looking like this guy, this whole quarantine season, I suggest you follow my rules to get your eggplant wet. Oh yeah. It's guaranteed success. And I ain't even ask you for a down payment. I'm generous. I'm looking out for you niggas, bro. Come on now. Oh, I gotta like this. I'm gonna need y'all to smash my comment section, G. Let me know what y'all doing this quarantine season Till the next video, y'all. Keep it real, bro. I'm gonna see y'all later.